Okay. Hi friends, you guys ready to learn to dance? Sounds good. Okay, so this is going to be a 3-step process. Step number 1, I'm going to show you the dance. Step number 2, I'm going to slow it down and I'm going to teach you the dance. And step number 3, we're going to dance. Cool? I want you to get yourself moving all around your apartment or your home or your backyard or whatever you got, and get your grown-up moving too. Cool? All right, let's start from the very beginning. So, starting in a little ball, I take a deep breath up, let it out. Here I go. All right, you guys ready to learn it? Cool. So, starting from the very beginning, I'm in my tiny little ball. I take a deep breath up, and I let it out. Good job. I'm going to go over to my right side, nice and slow. Slow. To my left, slow. Then I'm going to go quicker, right, and left, and big arms all the way down. I'm going to do that one more time. Here we go, to the right. Slow. To the left, slow. Nice and quick, quicker, quicker. Big arms, this part's fast. Arms, come down, stand up really, really fast. Woo. Okay, now I'm ready to butterfly to my right side. I'm gonna do 2 steps to the right with butterfly arms. 1 and 2. Then I go to the left. 1 and 2. Okay, great. Next part. I'm gonna take my right arm and I'm gonna windmill it. So stepping on my right foot, my right arm goes all the way up. My left arm comes up and follows it, and I land on my right side. So now, from there, I'm gonna go to my left side. I go all the way up with my left, all the way up with my right, and land here. Very good. Now the last windmill I do, big arms, right, followed by my left. I'm just walking around in a circle, bring my arm back up, and up, come down. Okay, let's talk it through one more time. So from the very beginning, I'm here. Deep breath. I go slow, and slow, and quick, quick, big arms, again, slow, and slow, and quick, quick, big arms, down, sit up, really fast. Okay, now I'm gonna do 2 butterflies, to the right, to the left, 2 butterflies, to the left. Now I do my windmill arms, right, left, down, left, right, down, big windmill all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I'm ready for my prances. My arms are like a prancy horse. And I prance forward 4 times. Prance, 2, 3, hop together, jump back. 1, 2, 3, get ready to go again. Prance, 2, 3, jump together. And 1, 2, 3, last time. Prance, 2, 3, jump, and a back, 6, 7, 8, and now you can do whatever dance moves you want. I do some crazy hair whipping thing like woo, 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 or like a little turn, or like this, that. Get your grown-up moving with you. All right, if you guys are confused about any parts, just go back, rewind, and start it again. Also, we're just dancing for fun here, so don't try to get anything perfect, okay? All right, let's try it all together, one time with the music. All right, starting in my little ball. Deep breath up. Let it out. To the right, nice and slow. Right? To the left, left. Quicker. Right, left, big arms. Woo. And again, to the right. I go right and left. And quicker. Right, left, big arms. Stand up super fast. slow it down. To the right. To the left. Butterfly. Good job. Do that windmill to the right. And a 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Walk around. Woo! Ready for those prances? And here we go. I prance. 2, 3. Jump back it up. 2, 3. Again. And prance. Jump and back. Last time. 1. And jump and back. Now whatever you want, go. Woo! Woo! Boom. All right, guys. Awesome, awesome job. Okay, I will see you next Wednesday for more dancing, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for dancing with me.